Hey everyone! Are you tired of that lingering apple cider vinegar smell in your home? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to kick that pesky smell to the curb with some simple but effective methods. Let's dive in. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Hand washing. First up, let's tackle those hands. You know how it goes, you handle apple cider vinegar, and suddenly your hands smell like a salad dressing factory. Gross, right? So, what's the solution? Good old soap and water. Wet your hands with warm water. Apply a small amount of mild, unscented soap. Lather up like a champ for at least 20 seconds, making sure to scrub all over. Rinse and dry your hands with a clean towel. Pro tip, use specialized hand soap designed for strong odors to really banish that smell. Airing it out. Next, let's air out that room. Ever walk in and think, why does it smell like a vinegar factory in here? Time to ventilate. Locate the source of the smell. Open windows on opposite sides of the room for that sweet cross breeze action. Crank up those fans to usher the smell out of the room. Feel that fresh air rolling in? Ah, so much better. Washing utensils and containers. Now, let's tackle those smelly utensils and containers. If they're stinking up your space, here's what to do. Wash them with warm water and dish soap. Rinse with warm water to get rid of any soapy residue. Still smelling funky? Soak them in a mix of water and lemon juice or essential oil, then wash and rinse again. Voila! No more vinegar-scented spoons. Burning candles and incense. Candles and incense, anyone? Let's mask that smell with some relaxing scents. Choose a delightful scent like lavender, citrus, or cinnamon. Light it up and place it safely away from anything flammable. Let it burn for a few hours, but keep an eye on it. Blow it out before leaving the room. Remember, use beeswax or soy candles for a cleaner burn, and always practice fire safety. Baking soda magic. Baking soda to the rescue. This natural odor absorber will banish that vinegar smell from carpets, upholstery, and more. Sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda on the smelly area. Let it sit for several hours, or even overnight. Vacuum it all up, and repeat if needed. But remember, don't use baking soda on wet surfaces or delicate materials. Lemon juice and essential oils. Lemon juice and essential oils can save the day by neutralizing that vinegar smell and adding a fresh scent to the air. Here's how. For lemon juice. Squeeze lemon juice into a spray bottle. Add equal parts water, shake well. Mist onto affected surfaces without soaking. Wipe away with a damp cloth. For essential oils. Pick a lovely oil like lavender, peppermint, or lemon. Add a few drops to a diffuser or water-filled spray bottle. Diffuse or mist onto surfaces, letting it dry. The air purifier solution. Last but not least, let's bring in the big guns, an air purifier. Find a model with activated carbon filters. Place it centrally in the room with the vinegar smell. Turn it on and adjust the settings to your needs. Let it run for several hours or overnight for best results. Regularly check and replace filters as needed. Now breathe in that fresh, vinegar-free air. And there you have it, folks. Say goodbye to that pesky apple cider vinegar smell with these simple and effective tricks. Your home will be smelling fresh and clean in no time. Give these methods a try, and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips. Catch you next time. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.